Can you review this one? Sure. Let's take a peek. So let's go. So let's go over here. So what do we got? Oh, I need one of these. Maybe not for that, but man, my wrist hurts over here. So let's take a look here. So we have wrist rest for laptop, laptop wrist support for keyboard and mouse, ergonomic. Let's take a look. So free gift. Don't say free gift. Nothing's free in this world. Make it a bundle. If you're trying to stand out from your competition that's already doing these kind of wrist rests and you're throwing in something like that for your coffee, the coaster, I didn't come here for a coaster. I came here for the wrist pads. So I would say that the hands over here, let's see what the industry be telling us. So if I go here, okay, you come up here with sponsored. Your competition is doing this. This is easier to read than this angle. So I like this better than this. No one's telling us exactly what the product is. This looks like I have a dirty laundry on it. Like, this is the product I need. I got to buy this one because for my mouse. So this, I would say, I would rather your image look like this. The free gift, don't do that. And the line image is against TOS, and it's not good anyway. So if you're going to break TOS or bend the rules, so I'd rather see you have an angle similar to your competition. So I'm going to grab their photo just because I'm going to assume your product is the same. Or actually, you have a photo right here. I'd rather this be your main hero image than what you have right now. Okay, paste. We're going to chop this off, blow this up, edit the photo background like this. So I'd almost rather this over here, and then behind over here, I'd put this. And then put your value prop on the screen. Do what all these smartphone manufacturers and case people are doing, or TV people. That's a great example. The TV industry, Amazon, right? So if I do smart TV, so here, Amazon does it. They advertise the value prop on the TV itself. So HDR10, 4K, Fire TV. Monitors do it better. They use the actual the screen to do merchandising, all this other kind of stuff. So what I would say to do is I would say do the same concept on the screen. Use the screen to merchandise the pad over here. Maybe zoom the photo in a little bit more, but something like this, and then use the screen to talk about the value prop for the products, like 3-piece set, wrist rest, wrist guard, or something like that. I think would do really, really well for you. What do you think? Tell me what you think in the comments below.